The other one looked quite Viking-esque, that's a word. Quite like a Viking one. But this one, and that might even be Viking. I mean, it's definitely trade weight, some kind. Now I'm excited. Ladies and gents, stonking signal. It's a bit later than those weights I've been having, but it's a nice Tudor buckle. Very nice, in fact. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. It's got its middle bar in place. It's what they call a spectacle buckle. Happy days. Live dig, ladies and gents. That was a 20. Just down there, so with the camera. I'll get that out for you. It's in here somewhere. So it's there. Yeah, it's there. There it is. It's another spectacle button.